Let's teach you how to do transitions. How do we do a video like this with the before
the hell is beauty mode?
and
what
after?
What does this do?
Okay, the first thing we want to do once you find the audio or the music that you want to use, you want to click here on the bottom right corner. We want to go ahead and grab that sound. Here we go. Ninja tip, when you're looking to mimic somebody's voice, for me, I found it's easier to do it in 2x. That way everything is slower and you can bring more comedy to it, okay? Then next one, okay, timer. This is where it all goes down in that timer. Okay, click on the timer and you want to find where that space is where we need to stop the recording. We pause, we do the makeup, we do all the things.
What does this do?
And then we come back and we finish the clip. And it happens right here, listen.
The hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh, damn.
Okay, so we're gonna stop right here. Let's go.
What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do?
And did you see how you can mimic and then you want to transition? So you want to cover your camera, or there's so many different ways to do fun transitions. Okay, now you can click on the check mark. You can make sure the clip is good because you can only delete the last section you recorded. So assuming we're happy with the clip, we're just gonna click on the check mark and then I can just click next and we can just save it to drafts. And we're ready to go. Here we go. Are you ready for this?
What?
Continue shooting. Aha, the transformation has been made. So you want to angle it and make sure your phone is set up where you left off, right? Okay, and now we're gonna go back to 2x. That's what I like to do. You can try it in both ways, see what works for you.
Oh, damn.
We're gonna go back to the timer.
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh, damn. Okay.
And that's it.
What the hell is beauty mode? What does this do? Oh, damn. Okay. What?
And if you want to get extra fancy with it, you can play with additional effects. You can do transition. So let's say you didn't transition as smoothly as you wanted to right here. Let's just say this was not all that smooth. As an example, you can do, turn TV off and back on. Although it's too long. So yeah, so see how you can play with this as well. All right, cool. If you love the video, let me know in the comments below if you want to see more tutorials. Till next time, transition like a boss.